In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your iPhone from Portuguese to English in just a few simple steps. Whether you accidentally set your iPhone to Portuguese or need to switch languages for any reason, this tutorial will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, go to General, click to Language and Region. Change the language to English and wait a few seconds as your iPhone updates the language. And that's it! Your iPhone is now in English. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.